Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new note on your Samsung Note using your S Pen on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So with your Samsung S25 Ultra, you have this S Pen, and this is a really great tool as you can do a lot of things with it. So let me show you how to create a new note on your Samsung Notes. So with your Samsung Note, you can go ahead and open it two different ways. You can go ahead and open it from your app library. Just search for Samsung Notes. So this is the app you need, or you can open it using the Air command. And here, tapping on Notes, this will open up your Samsung Notes. When you do this, this will basically create a new note automatically. However, when you open it from your app library, this will basically go into the library of your notes. And if you want to create a new note, go ahead and tap on this icon here at the bottom right, and this will create you a new note. Go ahead and type in a title. Now at the bottom here, go ahead and write in your notes. Now once you're happy, you can go ahead and tap back, and that will save that note as a title, and it'll save all the stuff that you have done on it. So there you go guys, that's how to create a new note on your Samsung Notes using your S Pen on Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.